Let's make something that's going to blow your mind. Fluffernutter French Toast. Slice a stale sourdough loaf up. I use like 1-inch pieces. You're going to use about 3 eggs and 2/3 a cup of milk, a little bit of vanilla extract, some pumpkin pie seasoning, some cinnamon sugar. Trust me, the extra little bit of sugar makes it taste good. Whip all of those ingredients together. These are the 4 most even pieces I'm going to use. Put a whole bunch of peanut butter on one side, and then on the other side you're going to add marshmallow fluff. Assemble your little French toast sandwiches. You're going to let them soak in the egg mixture for 30 seconds up to 30 minutes. While these are soaking, I melted some butter in my pan. And then once the pan is nice and hot, I cook these guys for about 4 minutes on each side. You're going to want them to get nice and brown, and then the inside is going to get a little bit runny, and that's okay. This is what it looks like. I'm going to top it with some banana slices, some powdered sugar. I also made some applewood smoked bacon. I really went off the rails with this, but it was totally worth it. Doesn't that look amazing?